There are a number of ways to figure out how much life insurance coverage you need. You can go online and you can use a life insurance calculator. There are a lot of them out there. You can ballpark it by buying roughly 8 times your income and then adding on to that the amount of money that you'd need to pay for college for your kids and to pay off the mortgage on your house. Or you can do a fairly simple, straightforward back of the envelope calculation where you figure out how much money you'd need to put away in order to guarantee your family the amount of income that they need to live on. So you buy $1 million in life insurance, they invested at 6%, they get $60,000 a year. Is that enough? Add in college, add in retirement, maybe, maybe not, and that's the way you figure it out.